It's Boys of the Most Toys coming at you again, and I've been building crazy amounts of Iron Men and Iron Legion and other superheroes for a display this summer. So I thought I'd give you a quick tutorial on how to build the quick skeleton to build your own in this scale. And it looks pretty simple just from the parts you can see here. You'll need 2 of these with the 1 hole, 2 balls and 1 socket. You'll need 2 of these, so 2 balls, 1 socket, and 1 Technique pinhole. You'll need 2 of these that help things stick and clutch power better. You'll need 4 of these with 2 balls and a socket. You'll need 2 feet, 2 fists, a medium-size bionicle torso frame, and 5 of these. Again, your colors can vary depending on what you're building. Your fists, your feet, these come in black and red, I think. These come in black, red, and this color, and this gray. These are only gray, and these come in a variety of colors as well. So again, you can build your frame however you like. But pause the video here if you need to go find these pieces, and then I will put them all together and show you a finished product versus the skeleton. Okay, now that you got your pieces, let's get started with the build. So first we're going to take the torso piece and these 2 pieces that help with friction and put them on the small side. You can hear they snap in really tightly. That makes your legs nice and tight. So this is what you have so far. From here we're going to get our pieces again with the piece like this, the 1 hole. And we're going to get our 2, and we're going to make our thighs 1 on each side like this. To get a cool knee joint, we're going to take our socket and ball connector like this, put it on like that, and then we're going to do the lower legs. We're going to get 2 of these pieces and snap them in to the legs. And then of course we can stand them up. So we're going to add our feet. Again, you can use whatever color you like depending on what character you're building. Oh, sorry. We are going to put another set of the socket and ball. Small pieces. Again, they come in black and they come in red. And then we're going to hook it into the feet. And then that gives us all kinds of mobility. From here, we're going to also take the last of these small pieces and we're going to put it here so we can put on a cod piece or a crotch plate or hold other accessories on later. You're going to take 2 of these, put them together, and with a fist, again of your choice of color, and you are going to put them on and do the same again on the other side. Snap it all in, and there you have our frame, or the frame that I've been using. Very simple. And then you could add on, of course, I add ball joints here and other accessories so that you can put on ankle guards and so forth. And you can see here is a finished product with Iron Man. So you can see them here. That's the frame to get our friend Iron Man or things of this scale, which are about 9 or 10 inches tall depending on what the accessories you put on them. You'll also need a bunch of these and Technique pins, you know, to put them different places to put different armor sections on and so forth. So, but that's the basic idea here. So that's it. It's very simple. The frame itself. And let's just put it in front of Iron Man and show you here. This gives you a good knee bend with a double knee joint and a double ankle joint as well. Good for posability, even though the ball joints are quite posable, but gives you even more posability if you want to do something cool on your shelf or on a display or whatever. So there it is. There's our Hero Factory Bionicle buildable figure frame that we are using for this scale of figure. So hope you've learned a little something about how I've built all these Iron Man figures and the up and coming ones that you will see, and hope this helps you with your construction. And I'm going to do some with brick built heads in the future as well, so we might do a tutorial on that as well, as not all characters are going to have a actual buildable figure head. Okay, so that's for next time or another time. So I hope this inspires you to build crazy creations out of Lego, whether it be CCBS or hybrid or system or whatever you'd like to build with. Until next time, everyone, happy building and take care.